Hello, this is dog hearing test number 1. Dog is down the stairs, all the way down there. So let's see if we can rouse some attention. I will give you a cooch. I will give you cooches. Cooches, cooches. I will give you cooches. I will give you a big old hug. You like hugs? You like hugs? You like hugs? Right. Not listening. But listen to this now. We will whisper this one. Ready? Tweeties. There's fuck all wrong with that dog's hearing. selectivehearing.com. You can whisper it, you can go tweeties and she'll fucking come upstairs. Thanks for watching. You little stinker, yeah.